Nice. Good. Two more. And last one. Good. We'll set that on down. Move it off to that side. We'll get our reverse lunge with our shoulder stability press. There you go. And take a little, just a little angle towards me if you can. Sorry, the other way. I guess away from me. Yeah, perfect. Perfect. Reverse lunge. Yeah, there you go. Then we'll reset that press. Very nice. Keeping those in line with the back of the head. Those hands. Perfect, Max. Keep it going. Good. One more. Good. We'll sit that down. Let's just get 5 incline push-ups to our bench there. And good. Very